going to the Catherine Palace, you have to pin it at Catherine Park. And that's the gate, you know. So you wouldn't recognize the palace because the gates are small. So baka mataka kayo. Yun lang yung gate niyan, no? Ayan, no? Ganyan lang. Tapos, ayun yung ticket booth. Pakita nyo lang yung printed nyo na e-ticket. Meron yung barcode. Sa scan nila yun. No? So you have to bring your e-ticket. No, either hard or printed or digital. Pero, better na rin na i-print nyo just in case mawala kayo ng internet connection. Sobrang relaxing tingnan yung park nila. This is what they call the Catherine Park. And meron ding mga restrooms. Ayan, mga restroom yung mga kasama ko. And mga cafe, may tindahan ng burger. And yeah, no, napakalamig ng hangin. And you can hear the birds chirping as well. Ayan, oh. So guys, ito yung kanilang garden, parang setting ng Bridgerton. Okay. Ayan, bakit na tayo doon sa Catherine Palace. Si Catherine Palace is actually the wife of a Russian Tsar. Itong estate na to ay nabawi nila mula nung nangyari ang Northern War na tinatawag nila noong 17th century. After noon, nang ginawa nila yung wooden house dito, ay kinonvert na nila into a palace at binigay niya sa kanyang wife na si Catherine. Init. So guys, this is the summer palace of the Tsars. Papagano na ako. So guys, we're inside the palace. So this is a summer palace, interior of the Catherine Palace. Oo nga eh. Nasira pala siya, ano? Yes. Isa rin pala siya dito, no? Oo.
Sa liit lang yung
Parang wait lang, di ba? Tama ba? Wait lang. Ay, okay ba?
eh, huwag mo iba yung kutsara.
Ano naman yan?
Cabbage to eh. Cabbage daw to. Bun with cabbage. Ito ravioli, di ba? Russian ravioli.
Ito ang malaki.
хотя бы звуковочку, ну а все остальное...
So guys, we're now entering the Peter and Paul Palace.
Мне кажется, нам
Convicts, kulungan yata.
Gamit na yung mga kulong.
Oo.
Parang ang pati naman.
This is your visit daw.
Ha? Dapat pa ganon. Wala. Naka-fix sa ano sa yung mga kama sa bahan. Naka-fix. Ay, hindi. Ay, ito.
Ganyan na rin yung video.
Kinain na dahil wala nang laman. Prinit na lang.
Ano ba siya? Library? Library? Ha. Built in 1959.
Dito naman yung gas. Siloksita natin.
50% traffic gas. Tommy Hilfiger.
Kasi naman mo nila.
Always order here at Catch Seafood. last day, guys, in St. Petersburg. We're heading to the railway station. Guys, we're back in Moscow. So guys, it's Rostix, but it's actually KFC. To leave Russia, and I hope you like that adventure that we had from Moscow to St. Petersburg, and then St. Petersburg to Moscow, and now we're going back to Shanghai for our layover. We're going to have another sort of adventure for a short layover sa Shanghai, and then from Shanghai we'll be back to Manila. So I hope you like the video and you learned something about Russia's history, and of course the tourist attraction you can actually visit, and tingnan natin kung makakabalik pa tayo ulit dito. But thank you, Russia, for the opportunity to explore your country, and hope to see or visit Russia in the future.
And proceed to one floor daw siya. Nakalagay siya.
Proceed first floor.
Ano ba siya?
First floor. Ano ba ito? Second.
来，我也看到了啊，要继续坐3号线的啊，或前面的车，要继续坐3号线啊，或前面的1辆车，这辆车。
So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Shanghai. Pabalik na kayong Pilipinas, kaso may bagyo right now, yung bagyong Karina. And hopefully di ma-cancel ang ating flight and makauwi tayo tomorrow na madaling araw sa Manila. But for now, you're here in Shanghai, sobrang init. And obviously, you know, nakapayag tayo. Kasi pero mahangin.
How many pieces you want?
Yan, boltuhan, wholesale.
Buy one, it's the same price. What do you?
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye guys, till our next travel vlog, because here, you're the winner.